Hello everyone, I am Anurag Mishra and I welcome you all to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. So today's topic, the subject I am going to talk about in this video is very important for the youth of Champaran. And that topic is there should be a new government university in Champaran. A new state university should be established either in the name of Champaran or as Maharani Janki Kunwar University, Betia. Now, what is the reason behind this? So, there are a lot of reasons. In Champaran, a medical college has been established, government medical college. In Champaran, an engineering college is also there, a government engineering college. And Roxol Airport is also going to start very soon. I think from next year. So almost all facilities are coming to Champaran. But now a university is also very necessary because currently all the colleges of Champaran, Sitamarhi and nearby areas are affiliated with Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. So what happens is for even the smallest work, students have to go to Muzaffarpur. So going to Muzaffarpur is not the main problem. The real problem is that the number of trains is very limited. There are many difficulties in traveling, and because this is a remote area, traveling becomes very hard. Also, staying there, I mean in Muzaffarpur, is very difficult, especially for poor students like me. Even more difficult is that many students struggle to afford even a single day's expense. That is why I believe that if a university is established in Betia, it will become very easy for students. And another important thing is after the university is established, all the colleges in East and West Champaran will be connected to it. Yeah. New departments will be opened. Students will be able to study up to PhD level. Up to PhD level. Research will happen. And the future of Champaran's youth will become better. Not only in India, but they will be able to build a good life anywhere in the world. For development, the most important tool is education. That is why I said this is very important subject. And through this video, I want to say that everyone needs to raise this voice because this is the demand of the time. And because of this issue, many students from Champaran are forced to go to other districts, other states, and even other countries for studies. This is very sad. This is very sad. If someone goes by choice, that is fine. But if someone is forced to go, then this is very painful. Many students have time. They have interest. They are capable, but they do not have enough money to go and stay in cities like Patna, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. But if the same facility or university becomes available in Betia, then the dreams of all these students can come true. Yes. Champaran has been considered a backward region for many years in Bihar. Even today, modern facilities are not as developed as they should be. Still, I want to thank the current government, because efforts are being made. Local leaders, ministers, MPs, MLAs, everyone is trying. And we can see the results. New colleges have been established and the airport is also coming. Facilities are increasing. Yes, increasing, which is good thing. But along with that, it is also important that every thing runs properly and corruption free. Now, coming back to our main topic, the university, because I want university. A university is very important. Even I personally want to do a PhD, but for that I will have to go to another city and stay there for 3 to 5 years, managing all expenses, staying, food, everything is very costly there, and I may not be able to afford it. But if a university is established in Champaran, then it will become very easy for me, and I can travel daily to Betia. It will be cheaper, and my dream will also be fulfilled. And not only for mine, but lack of students, millions of students like me can achieve their dreams. So, through this video, I want to request all senior citizens of my state, my region, all respected MPs, MLAs, ministers, and also the Chief Minister of Bihar, please give attention to this issue. Please. If a new university is established with your support, then it will be a very big gift for students like us. And I have a lot of hope from the government, from the current government. And the government is doing its work well. That's why. So, with this hope, I made this video. I request all viewers, please understand this issue. This is very important. That's why I can say, please share this video as much as possible. Share it strongly everywhere in Bihar. At least they should take notice. And I think they will take notice. And if this happens, it will be a blessing for all of us. Yes. So, please share. Development of Champaran will become possible, and the dream of a bright future of Champaran can become in reality. So once again, I request you all, please share this video. Please. Thank you so much for watching me, and keep watching. I will be meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you so much.